Am I audible? Hello?
Smith, if you're audible.
Hello?
Smith, if you're audible.
Let's move on. We'll spend 5 minutes what we did last class, then we'll move ahead. If you remember, yesterday we done with plugins. First, if you remember, nerd tree, autocomplete me, and all different types of plugins we have seen. Okay, anyone got a new plugins? Okay, no. Okay, try your in your free time. Okay. Then, if you remember, we started with a script. So our agenda of the script was this. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'll take it up. So our agenda was that I want a file called there is a a.txt file. In that A1, A2, A3 is there, and there is a q.txt file where Q1, Q2, Q3 is there. Okay. So my intention was that okay, you need to create a script such a way that qa.txt file you need to create Q1, A1, Q2, A2, Q3, A3. Like this you need to create. Okay, it means in simple language I can tell you a.txt will be what? Input. Q.txt will be what? Input. And I need a final output called Q underscore a.txt. Okay. Via Perl or Python, any language you use it. Okay, I need the result in this manner. Anyone tried? Anyone got this answer? No?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Chalo. This is our final agenda. Clear? So first we started with a small script. What is that script? There is write a Perl or a Python script. Okay. See, first step is a create a.txt file. Everyone are able to create a.txt file, correct? A1,
Yes.
A3. Then I asked you to go ahead and write a Perl or a Python script. Okay. Then you have tried writing a file handle equal to open a.txt r for file content in file handle, print file content. This is what you have done. So this is the code you have done. Then for running, or you opened a command prompt in the same folder and you given a command Python file name. Clear? Okay. So here now again we will start the same coding. I'll start with the Python, whatever we have done. Then I'll go back to Perl. See, if you remember, I already said that in Perl or Python, as per the interview, you need to learn three topics. One, data types. Second, file handling. And third, regex. Or I can also call like what?
Expression.
Regular expression. Clear? So three topics you need to learn. One is a data type, one is a file handling, and one is a regex, a regular expression. So maybe in a Perl also the same thing, Python also the same thing. Only three topics you need to learn properly. So knowingly or unknowingly, two topics are done yesterday only. Okay, don't think like we will conclude, we will complete the script today. No, it will go for 20 more days. Okay, two topics are done yesterday only. Okay, what are the two topics? Let me explain. See, first data types. In the data types, if it is a Python or if it is a Perl. For a Python, we have variable. Here we have what? Scalar.
Scalars.
Here we have list.
Tuple.
Here, array. Array
Arrays.
here. Here list are
Links.
tuple. Sorry, scalar. Well, I have written in scalar array. Here list are tuple. Correct. List are tuple. Here hashes, and the same thing will be called a dictionary here. Okay. Now I'll give you one by one example. You will understand. You will be able to understand. What is a variable? Variable or a scalar? It is a single value holder. What is that? Single value holder. Okay. Example. Okay. It's a Python. If it is a Python, example will be like this. A, it can be 1. A, it can be 1.0. A, it can be Raju. If it is a Perl, you need to copy paste the same thing here. And dollar will come. Simple. Done. Can I call a single value holder or multi value holder? Only one value it can hold. See here. What is the type of value here? What type of value?
Numerical.
Integer.
Yes.
Here float. Here
String.
all are single value only. Correct. So variable or a scalar is a single value holder. Correct. Uh, Either your value can be integer value or float value or a string value. Next, array. Here list we will call and they call array. Okay, I'll do one thing. Better I write like this. List or a tuple. Sorry, list or a array. What do you call that? It is a multi-value holder. What do you need to tell? Multi-value holder. Okay. Python. Example first I'll write like this. A, then A equal to A dotted. Can be like this or okay, I'll write like this. First you need to declare as an array. One simple, okay. Don't go proper on syntax. Anyway, we'll be using an append to add. Okay. Is it clear? A is a what? Single value holder now or multi-value holder? What do you,
Multi-value.
what do you mean by multi-value holder? Multiple value it can hold it. Correct. Now at symbol will come in Perl. Clear? In the beginning, at symbol will come. Next, dictionary. It is a key and value holder. It is multiple dictionary in EY. And what do you call that? Hashes in Perl. Clear? It's a what? Key and value holder. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So what do you mean by key and a value holder? Key. What is the first thing you will call? Key. And second is what? Value. Key, value. This is key and this is the value. Ramesh age is what? 26. Ramesh is a key and 26 is a value. Raju age is 26. Raju is a key and 26 is a value. Ramesh is a key and 23 is a value. Arun is a key and 40 is a value. Clear? Now, here I not remember. I think, Perl hashes. This. Take one. I'll double check this one. Okay, hashes symbol. Huh. Then clear. You got an idea. See, ultimately, my motto was here. Once again, I'll come with a data type Python this is Perl single value. Here A you will write it. Here dollar $A you need to write. Multi value. Here A you will write it. Here at A you will need to write. Key and multi key and value. A you will write percentage. Key variable name will be like A only. You need to use it. Okay. Now my see what the student have a one doubt. Nitesh, can you write one program in Python with variable, array, and hashes type? Means single value, multi value, and key and value type. And for all this data type, I want to use a same variable name. What is that? A. How will you write it? You got it? What is the doubt here? What is the question? See, in all Python. See, in a Perl, how will you get to know that it is scalar or it's a array or it's a hashes? By the symbol. Can you see here? All the three places, different symbol I am using. Correct.
Yeah. Yes.
Now the question is related to the Python. Nidhi, how will I get to know that? Okay. See, A only for a variable, array, here also A only, and here hashes or multi key and value holder. Here also will use the A variable. How will you get to know that it's a variable or it's a array or it's a hash? Is it clear? Question is clear? There, what we will do, first example, if it's a variable, we'll write straight away like this. If it's a array, first you will declare like this. You are supposed to declare. Then you will use it a append example. We'll take the value 2 comma 3 comma 4 like one by one value will go, not multi value, single value. First you need to declare like this. Variable name will be a only, but you while declaring you need to declare a array format. Anyway, more on the I'll explain once we will start the coding. Clear? At least data type, somewhat you got an idea. What are the three data types we have in Python? Huh? Pardon?
Yes.
Variable, list. See, that is like I said, following. It's a high chances. If I not explain you this way, you will mix it. Let me once again. Variable. Hmm.
Variables are scalars and
Variable is from Python you said. Okay. Then array from Perl you have said. You see you got it. What you see once again. What I said variable in Python. Scalar what you said need to tell Perl. List you need to tell in what? Here I have made a table. List or tuple you need to tell in. Okay. Array word you need to use in Perl. Dictionary you will use it in Python. Hashes you will use in Perl. What my student will tell? The variable array hashes. Correct? See, it's a common mistake. Everyone will do it. Okay, when two languages you know, right? It will the same thing will happen. Okay. So you need to be very clear. Okay. Python data types. Can you tell me once again? Variable list dictionary. Perl data type. Correct. You need to have a very clear picture. Okay. Clear? See once again. Python data types. What are the data types we have in Python? Variable,
list.
dictionary, list or tuple or dictionary. What about Perl data types?
Scalar.
Array. Keep in mind you are need to use the same word. Okay, scalar, array, hashes. Okay, don't tell like okay, it's also multi-value, this is also multi-value. No, whatever it may be, you need to use the same words. Okay, Perl. Okay. What about variable or a scalar? What kind of data type they are? Single value hold. You know what do you mean by value? What kind of value you can hold? Either integer value, float value, or string value. Any value it can hold it. Correct? Chalo, next. What about list or tuple? List or array? It can hold multiple value. Chalo. The value can be integer value, float value, or string value. Next, third one is Dictionary or hashes. Key and value. Raju, age is what? 30. Ramesh, age is 40. Like this. This key and value, if you need it, you need to go for third type data type. Clear? Now, if you know this much, now you need to tell me which are the topics yesterday we completed in this code. Okay. You see here and tell me. Data types. Did we cover any data types here? If yes, which data types we covered?
String type.
File handling.
No, file handling is not a data type. That is a second topic. Only three data types you have. In Python, if you tell variable, you need to tell, or array, that is the list, or third is dictionary. Which data types we covered yesterday?
List.
Variable, sir.
No, list is not.
Variable, sir.
Python, you cannot tell scalar. That is again a mistake. Variable. If it is a variable, which line or which word you are filling?
Like in second line, sir, file content underscore A.
File content underscore A.
Yeah.
What is that? Variable.
Variable.
That is a single value holder only, right? Print
Yes,
what?
yes.
Is it you are getting multiple? It's a single value holder.
Sir, I have one more doubt. Like in Python, only these three data types are there, or is more than these also? We
Only
can
three.
use?
Only three.
Like I also see that Boolean data type and some more.
Okay, these are the basic data types. You have a class and all user defined data types. Okay. Majorly three. These are the three. See, majorly now we use it. Dictionary, list, where is the variable.
So here Boolean is also there, sir. Like we don't use this Boolean.
No, see, for us is not required much, man. Okay, whatever, see, I am explaining whatever we required as per our VLSI. These three are more
Yeah.
than, okay.
Yes,
Classes
yeah.
also will not use much. No, not this one. Basically, we need these three only for us. Okay. Now, here, which is the data type which you have learned yesterday? Variable. Can you tell me which one? File content A. File content A is what? Variable or data? What? Variable, right?
Yes, sir.
If you write in Perl, how will you write the same thing?
We have to put dollar in front of file content.
You got why you have used dollar there yesterday?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So,
Sir, what about this file handlings, sir? This
file
is also
handle.
variable, right?
No, not to file handle. Variable. I'll come to this point now. Okay,
Yeah.
first clear. Variable is clear. Data type is clear.
Yes.
Yesterday we used one data type. That is a variable we have used. Okay. Variable in Python or what is this variable? What is this? Huh? Scalar.
Scale up.
Scalar and Perl.
Scalar in Perl. Correct? Is it clear? Now, next topic. I said yesterday we have we targeted two topics. Okay. Second one, file handling is the second topic I have explained. File handling means to open the file in read or write mode. This topic is called like what? File handling. Even in Perl they call it file handling. Python also they call it what? File handling only. What is a file handling means? To open the file in read mode, write mode. They are all called as what? File handling. Now, did we cover that topic yesterday? If yes, which line?
First line, that is opening, open.
Correct. Correct. See, first line was that only file handling. File handling.
Read
See,
mode.
you are opening a file in which mode? Read mode. The same file handling topic in Perl will looks like this. Okay, so it's a very clear. Even if it's a Perl or a Python, you need to use only two arguments. Correct? In
Yes, sir.
Python, what happens? Handle will be outside, file name, and what is the R is called a what?
Read.
Operation mode. Correct? Operational mode. Read mode, write mode, or okay. Handle will be outside, file name, and mode will be there. In Perl, what happens? Handle will also will come what? Inside only. Do you agree? Handle will be inside or outside? Inside.
Inside.
Then if you remember, handle will come inside means it will become how many argument now? Three
Three
argument. Three argument. How will you make it two argument? Clubbed. Who all you need to club? File name and mode. Mode. Now, where is the mode here? In Perl, where is the mode? Read mode or write mode?
But less than symbol is read mode.
Less than symbol is there, no? That is what mode? Read mode. Okay. So you need to understand that the same symbol we use in which language? Shell scripting or Linux. In your Linux also you will be using the same kind of a symbols. Clear? Less than or greater than. Clear? Anyway. See, always a student will be having a one doubt always. See, now it's a fine, but when during an interview, they will change the arrow less than to a greater than or greater than to a less than 100%. There is a high chances. Always keep in mind in Linux, I'll write normally like this A something. Okay, ls ls I will write. Okay, example there is a one path. Then I will write a.txt. It means that you do the ls. What do you mean by ls? List. Okay, you do the list of this. And what is the symbol? Read or
Right.
write into which file?
A.txt.
Correct. So normally, what how I remember? Okay, I have a habit of writing like this. Then this kind of symbol will be what? Right. Okay, this value will be going here. So normally only one I remember. So obviously, read I will get to know in a opposite direction. Clear? Anyway. Now next file handling is also clear. Now yesterday I said file handle equal to open a.txt r. What is a file handle? It's a pointer you can tell, correct? And a.txt is what? What is a.txt? File. And what you need to do? Read operation.
Read.
Correct. Now, what is the second line you have explained?
Second line is variable.
See, if you remember, I have said you that example. There is a 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. There is a pointer, correct? Pointer will be pointed by file handle fh. Example, file handle a is there, no? That will. And file content a will be this one. fca. It will, the pointer will go and hit. Then the value will come what? Outside. The value will go and show in where? File content a. Okay. Second time the pointer will go here. Clear? Then this value will go and store in where? File content. Clear? Handle will be keep moving. The content will get a new value. Third time handle will be this. Content will have what? 3. Similarly, instead of 1, 2, 3, if you have A1, A2, A3, okay, then file content A will have first value like what? A1.
A1.
What you are doing now?
Printing.
Print A1. File content A, you are having a what value? A1. So A1 will print. Second time, file handle will go here. So A2 will go here. Correct. So print file content of means what? A2 will print. Third time, A3 will be there. Correct. So A3 will go here. So print file content of A means what happens? A3 will print. Is it clear? Any doubt? Clear? This Python script is clear to everyone? Huh? Now I asked you, you want to do one more script. Okay, this in the same. Instead of a.txt, I want you to display which one? q.txt.
Q.txt.
Correct. Is it a explanatory? This code is nothing. What we
Yes.
instead of a.txt, what is the file we change it to? q.txt. And which mode? Read mode.
In
Handle shall we keep same or different? It's a different.
different hand.
Okay. For file content of what? Q. The variable name also I'm changing it. Okay. Handle name also it becomes Q. Then file content Q. Clear? Any doubt? So if this is clear, then we will move to the Perl. In the Perl, if you remember first line, file handling line. Okay. Perl or a Python, how many arguments it need to be there? 2.
All requirements.
Correct. File handle will now come inside. Then these 2 arguments become what? Will convert it to what? How many arguments? Single argument. Correct. So that is this one. Clear. Any doubt in first line? Clear? No doubt. Second, for each instead of for loop, normally we use what? For each loop. Okay. This is the way. Okay, your handle need to be given. How you have given in file handle A, will use this symbol. Less than symbol, greater than symbol. Okay, you are supposed to use this kind of a symbol for a handle. And the handle value will come into where? File content A. Whenever the handle will be keep moving, it will point to different values, correct? That value will come to where? Scalar. Okay, who is a scalar here? Dollar file content A is what? Scalar. It's a single value holder. That single value will come here and print file content of it. So what happened? It will print it. Clear? Any doubt? Now, what is the learning here? In a Python, if you see, semicolon is there or not there? In Perl? Okay, so what is the learning? Python semicolon is optional. Optional means what? If you write, fine. If you not write, it's still fine. What about Perl? Compulsory. Okay. Now, see, for any for loop, okay, the for is what? Loop or what? Loop. See, if you remember, we have a habit of giving a flower bracket. What is the meaning of for flower bracket for any looping concept? What do you mean by flower bracket?
Start and end.
Okay, I'll not write a flower bracket. Instead of that, I'll write outside a flower bracket. What will happen? Huh?
Outside the for each loop.
What do you mean by outside the for each loop?
Only
What will
one time
happen?
it is going to
Means
It's
this
for
doesn't comes under the loop, sir.
it's for
It will-
entire. If you write outside the loop, it's for entire code. If you write inside, means it belongs to loop only.
See, I can tell you this way. See, if you write inside a flower bracket, example, how many times? Imagine for each need to be run 10 times. Then this print will, fourth line print will print how many times? 10 times. Correct. And what about this line? Only one time. If suppose like for each loop will run for 100 times, then this print will run how many times? 100 times. And what about this print? No matter whatever the case, it will run only one time.
One.
Do you agree? Seventh line will run only one time, and fourth
sir.
line will run multiple times. Correct. That is what it means. See, now you have a flower bracket in your Perl. Who is that flower bracket in Python? Where is that?
Indentation.
What do you know indentation? Can you explain me where is that flower? Where is the flower bracket here?
Seventh line, sir.
Okay, seventh line where flower? This one we have not written any flower bracket, right?
No, indentation becomes the flower bracket, sir. Like here.
Correct. See, indentation, what actually he mean indentation means this one white one tab space. You need to tell one tab space. This is equivalent to your flower bracket. See, people have a one doubt. What is the doubt? Just give me 1 minute. See, I'll write it here. Example Python. See what they want. You need to write one statement such a way that it need to be inside a loop and one statement outside a loop. What happened? Example, loop run for 100 times. Okay, they what our assumption. How many times the line will print? 100 times. What about this line?
One time.
One time. Why? If you
There
give
is
a
no
tab,
indentation is there.
correct. So if you give a tab, that means that this print will go into the loop. Correct? If you give a tab. If suppose if I give now how many times? Now how many times?
One time.
100 times, one time, 100 times, one time. What is the difference? Only tab is a difference. If you give a tab, if it falls under a for loop, then multiple time iterations will happen. If it is outside of for loop, this is called outside of for loop. Then what happens? Single time. Is it clear? Single time. Okay. Now in Perl, you wanted to learn. Perl, how you get to know that it belongs to the loop or not? Flower bracket. If you give in a flower bracket, what will happen? It will
Specified time it will execute the
multiple
statement.
time iterations will happen. And outside the flower bracket, single time. Okay, what is the conclusion? Here you have this flower bracket will be equivalent to what? Tab. Okay. If you have one tab, it means that will run for a multiple iteration. Outside the tab means no tab means single iteration. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. The thing you need to understand. Any doubt with respect to this code? Clear?
Sir, here, like in for each loop, for single statement also, we have to write a flower bracket for single statement.
See, it's always better to go with a single flower bracket whenever the looping is either single or see, even if in the C language also, do you remember? Actually, not required. That is what the language will tell. Correct. It's optional, but still better to follow.
Yes, sir. But yesterday it gives error, right?
See, I
Like,
tried it, but it was not supporting. If you remember, correct.
yes.
So that is why better to follow always. Okay.
Yes.
Even in a C language also. Okay. Sometimes some what compiler will support, some will not support. So better to follow that. Now the scripts are clear. Anyone have any doubt in Perl and Python? Can we move to the next script? Okay. Keep in mind, my next agenda will be that you have created. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. What is my next agenda? This completes your first task. Second task, we will go for. This is your second task. What is the second task? Will tell you. Diagrams are self-explanatory. You can tell me what actually your intent is. Huh?
Input and output.
See, you have a one file a.txt, correct?
Yes.
I want you to create one more file a.out.txt. This content need to transfer to where? a.out.txt. And this content need to move to where? qout.txt. Till now, what you have done, you have printed on a screen. I want you to print on where? File. Okay.
In a new file, we have to get this a.txt and a.output.txt.
100%. You need to get a new file. Just give me one. See, what was the task one I have given? You printed on a file or you printed on a screen?
On screen.
Correct. Now what I need?
Print on a file.
Print into the file. That is what I need. Clear? This will be the second task. Okay. Just before that, I'll give you 5 minutes time. Perl code, you complete this. This is only for answer. One more, we need to do it for what? Here we have done two times, right? What is that? One is for answer, one is for question. In Perl also you complete that. Then we'll move to the second topic. Okay, for second topic. Okay, for first topic, write the same diagram. Here you write it as a screen. That will be your diagram. Will looks like your first this one. Second task, write as a file. Task 2 will be what? First is printing on a screen. Second is what? Printing into the file. Okay. Complete this Perl code and let me know. Huh? Okay, I'll come. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay, you need to write a code and you need to execute and you need to show me the output. Right. Online people, anyone have a doubt? You are able to execute? Hello.
Sir.
If anyone has facing a problem, let me know. I'll help you. You can share your screen. Okay. It is printing both A1 file and Q1 file. A file and Q file is printing on a screen for everyone. A.txt is printing on a screen. Q.txt is printing on a screen. Huh?
Hello.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Done. Online people. Online people done.
Yes.
Anyone facing a problem, then please share your screen. No one have a problem. Then I'll move to the next topic. Okay. Okay, I'll complete this one. Okay. I'll clear the screen for you first. Now, can you tell me for q.txt what I need to do? Entire thing, copy paste. See what I'll do. I will not do like what you have done. Okay, I know. Give him shortcuts. Okay. So line, I'll write something like this: 7 to 10. Okay. Search. S stands for search and replace. What to search? Underscore A. What to replace? Underscore Q. Once again, I'll show you. Line number 6 onwards, correct? 6. Done? How much time you took?
But file name also we have to change. That is
Yeah,
a.txt.
yeah, correct. That only one line, I'll one small I'll change it. So you have what you have done, what my student will do. They delete, they will add. Correct? This is what everyone does. This is the best way. Okay. See, 4 lanes, okay, you are able to do. Okay, I'll never okay. You will not find much difference. Okay. See. Now I'll ask you, okay, change all the lane. Then it's very easy, right? Just a one simple. Okay, you know search and replace option. I have explained. Only line number you need to type. See why I have written 6 comma 10. Only 6th line to 10th line only I want those changes. Correct. I don't want from the beginning. If I write percentage, what happen?
Total will get.
Total will happen. Do we want to do the total? All the line? No. See, just give me 1 minute. If I use a percentage answer to question, all will change. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll just ask 6 to 10 only. You change it. What? Question to what? Now you have an answer. You change it to what? Q. Then that's it. Right? You can able to clear. Okay. Chal. Let's move on. Any doubt till here? If no doubt, I'll execute this code and let us try. Okay. All the file contents are printed on a screen or into the file. This is happening in the screen. Now what is your next agenda? On file you need to do it. Simple. Okay. What you do? First, and one more thing, see, lot of people will be having this kind of a problem. Did they underscore you, that and all are coming, correct?
Yes.
Then what you need to do it? Type you need to go. Type. Okay. Other than PL and PY, pure PL, PY, the all file you select. PL file you can ignore, PY file you can ignore, or if you have a text file you can ignore. Rest all file you select. Stand here, tell delete. That's it. So it will go. Then now what I will do? I'll copy and paste it one more time the same folder. Okay. Copy and paste the same folder one more time and rename this folder with a task name as what? Second task. This is the second task. Print the content of the file into what?
Another file.
Another file. Here you will learn the read mode. Here you will learn what mode? Write
Right.
mode also. Correct?
Yes.
So now we will edit those script only. We will not write anything from scratch. Correct. We need to do the improvement on this only. Correct. Tell me,
Yes.
what is the improvement you need in first line? You need to tell Nitesh copy paste the first line one more time. You call the here what? A out
Output.
instead of R. What to the right?
W.
W. Okay. A R I will write here. A W I will write. What do you mean by this? File handle for answer read mode. Read mode handle. One more file handle we need, right? What is that
Right.
have? Huh?
Right mode.
Correct mode handle.
Right mode. Clear? Any doubt? Here also shall I do the same thing here? See what my student will do. They will stretch like this. Then they will tell copy. Then they will tell paste. And who will do all this? Okay. You need to stand here. Y. You know the shortcuts, correct? Y. Here I'll write R. Here I'll write what? W. Here what I need to write? Out. Here what I will write? W. Almost half done. Okay. Next, another print I'll write. And what is your handle name? Your handle name, write what? Content. See, what is a file handle? See one file handle. Okay. Where you whatever you want to write for that file handle name is this. What you need to do? Write. What you need to write? Variable value. Correct. Each variable time. Every time you will get Q1, Q2, Q3. So handle pointer will be moving up one by one. It will be doing write operator and what? Content into the file. Just give me 1 minute here. What is the one more mistake they will do, my student? The old command prompt will be opened, right? There only they will try. And they will tell, okay, it's not working. See how it will work. Now you need to open a new command prompt, correct here? Because the folder name is different now. Now you type Python. What is the mistake? Can you people rectify this?
File content, sir.
No, line number?
5. I'm
No.
sorry, 4.
No.
Instead of file
No.
content A, we have to write file content.
Correct. Over. See, handle name you change it, right?
Okay.
Here, what will be your handle name? W, correct? File handle. Okay, sorry. What is the mistake here done? File content A or Q? Huh?
Q.
Q, right? File handle Q, A, Q, W. What is the line number? Line number 5. Okay, is it a QW or AW here? AW. Next, line number 9. What is the problem in 9? QW.
It should be Q R, right?
Where?
Like,
It's a QR or Q. Correct. QR. Here. Now I'll open the folder. Is it aid out.txt got created or not?
Yes, got created.
I have created manually or script has created this?
Script created.
Script created and it has written correct. Can you see here? Yes. One more file. Qout.txt. I have created or script has created? Script. Working? Okay. See, I'll just walk through this code and I'll give you time for you to execute. See, what is the improvement we have done? What was there in the first line and what you have done the improvement? Okay, I'll do one thing. If you are not able to digest, I'll do one thing. Just give me 1 minute. I'll bring your old code also and a new code. Just 1 minute. Python script. More options. Select file for left. I'll go here. Here I'll come. Python script.py. See, this is your task 1 file, task 2 file. What is the changes you have done? Go up here. File handle A was there. Why you change it to AR? Can you tell me? Huh?
So we have two file handles, no? That's why read for read one, for write one.
Correct. Sure. For file handle A only now you need two or more handle. Correct. What is that? AR and AW. Correct. So I have changed it here. Correct. Now, why you have written one more lane extra?
For writing into new
By
file.
write operation. Correct. Now, here A was there. What you need to change here? R. Print, if you do print like this, what will happen? It will print on what? Screen. If you
Screen, yes.
want to write into the file, what you need to do? You need to tell handle. Correct? Write handle. Then writing an operation. And in the right, what you need to write? File content of A. Correct? Because what is that? That is a variable. In that you have a value as A1, A2, A3. Correct? Second type. File handle of Q. Why you have written QR? Because again you have two more handle for Q. What is that? Read handle and write handle. So you created one more, this one, handle. File handle Q, R you have done. And if you print it, what will happen? If you do print, what will happen? It will print on screen. You need to do what? Print into the file. Handle name dot write of content. What you need to write it. That's clear? Any doubt? See, your left hand side is what? Task 1. Right hand side is what? Task 2. Clear? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay, make sure you complete the. See, one thing keep in mind, A underscore out dot txt, Q underscore out dot txt. You don't have to create. Who need to create this file? Your script only need to create. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay, try this code. Take me. or file content. File handle, yeah. हाँ. Online people done. Online people. Have you heard of Sientra? Sientra is a company. So yesterday Accenture bought that acquisition happened. Have you heard of Excel Match?
Yes, sir. It's a max.
That is also acquired by Accenture. Okay. Kilo, there is one more company called Kilo that is acquired by AMD. Okay. Nothing. What you need to do, almost 5 year, 10 year onwards, create your one company. make 100 employees, sell it to big company, your life is settled. Okay. See, Excel Max, Ashish or Prabhu, there are two owners normally. Okay. They first started a Shavitech. Okay. Then they sold it for 100 crores. That money they got it. They started one more company called Excel Max. Now they sold it for almost like again 100 crores, 100, 200 crores or normally. Okay. Life settled. Similarly, there is one Eximius. His owner, Eximius itself was a fifth company for him. Nothing. Create a company, make 100 employee strength or 1000 employee strength, sell it to a big company. You will get a huge money. Again, start one company, again sell it. You'll get a more money. Okay. It's kind of a real estate business. Take a plot, develop it, sell it. Any doubt? Clear? So, online people, you are able to do this?
Yes.
Okay, what about other people? See, one thing I'll find hardly a less involvement from the online, like only few people will involve. So it will be a loss to you only if you not participate. Okay, so make sure the scripts are very important. Okay, you will struggle like anything. Or else again in the company you need to ask Anna, Bhaiya, how to do that. Okay, like a beggar will ask. No, similarly your tone will be okay. So better you learn now. No need to beg anyone else. Get ready to beg someone. This is not working. That is not working. Done. Online people, see, if you have a doubt, share your screen. I'll help you out. No need to worry. Does my layout.file need to open on its own? See, it will not open by its own. It need to create by its own. See, here there is one question. Okay, the a dot out is there, right? Is it need to open by itself? No, it will not open by itself. It will create by itself. Okay, for opening, you only need to double click and you need to check. Okay, it need to create and the content need to come automatically. File creation will happen automatically. Content copying will happen automatically from the script. Open, you need to do it. Okay. Let me know if anyone have a doubt. Working out.txt is coming to everyone. Okay. If that is coming, so our next agenda will be what? Huh? Perl. Obviously, you need to go for Perl. See here. Last time. See, before I go to this Perl, okay, what is the thing you have learned in the second task? Here, two things you are doing. It is printing on a screen also, printing into the file also. Do you agree? Which line is printing on a screen?
First.
No. Printing on a screen.
Print. Okay.
Four.
Fourth
Yeah.
line. They will do what? Printing on.
Contents.
Okay.
Okay.
And the fifth line will do what?
Writing.
Right? Or printing into the file. Can I call printing
Yes.
into the file? Or writing into the file? Here you all go what? Printing into the screen.
Printing on screen.
This is
Writing.
next file. Clear? So it's not only print into the another file, it will also print into the screen. Okay. If you don't want print into the screen, what you need to do?
Remove that line.
Remove that line. Or we have this as the hash command. What's the command? Hash. Clear? Now what will happen? See, run it. It will not print on a screen. See here. It is not printing on a screen. Okay. I'll do one thing in front of you first. I'll delete aout.txt, qout.txt. Now again I'll run it. See. Out is coming. Yes. Is it printed into that file? Yes. Q out is coming? Yes. Printing into the file? Yes. Clear? So anyway, so printing into the file, if only printing into the file, then you do like this. If you want to print on a screen, then you can add this if you want. Clear? Okay. Let me know if you have it out. If no doubt, we'll move to the Perl script. In Perl, what I need to do? Same. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Why don't you try everything you know? Huh? Nothing. Only one line which if you want to explain me is this one. Print file content. What is this? File content of A. That's it. This line equivalent will be this line.
Can you repeat that once again, Nitish? What is that hash in that Python?
Hash is a comment. Comment. If you don't want that line to participate, instead of removing, I have commented this line. Now I'll come to this Perl. Okay, see here. This line equivalent. See line number 5. Line number 5 equivalent in Perl will be this one. Printing on a screen, print option. Printing onto the file, print only. But only one thing, you will be giving the handle. File handle, you need to give it. Clear? Try this. Okay, let me know. I'll give you 5 minutes time. I think you people can give a try, right?
So how to create a out dot txt file in Perl?
See nothing. You will do YYP here. Here AR you will do it. Here AR first. Here what you will do?
But here we have to make
PW.
it as write mode.
Right mode is this one.
Okay.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
See, right? You can do it. A out. A out I need. Here it will be A out. Yeah. Any name of your choice. Why I written out means it will be understood by you that it's a out file. Out file means what? Output file.
Sir, once explain the sixth line in Perl.
See,
Sixth line.
this line will print into the file. Sorry, on the screen. Okay. If you want to print on a file, okay, file content and dollar file the variable. Okay, it means this value will go into this handle.
In file content underscore A, we have to give file handle underscore AW, right?
That changes will come. Definitely that changes will be there. Okay, now I'll just check one here. Comma is there or not? I did not remember. Comma will come, I think. Okay, with comma and without comma you try. You'll get to know. First, you delete the out out.txt because what happened, you already created with the help of Python script, correct? Then again you will feel okay, it is working. You delete again, if it comes, then only you can understand that okay, it's done. Okay, actually whatever I have written first, that is only correct. No comma, without comma only work. See, out.txt got created. Okay, it is not copied.
Yes, sir. Copied.
Copying, working.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
For me only not work by. File hand a.txt, a.out.txt, handle is count, file handle PR is count. Comma is there or not there? No comma. Working,
No, sir. Not work.
working for you people. Why it is not working? And if you want a comment in Perl, it will be
Sir, in Python, like when you are printing in the screen, it coming like the spaces, line by line. In Perl, it is not coming like spaces wise.
new line. That is what I wanted to tell you for tomorrow. Okay, you need to do the chomp, cut the new line or strip.
Okay. Backslash n we have to use in this.
No, there is a one word. This one I'll explain tomorrow. Tomorrow actually, this whatever you are telling now, that will be I'll be explaining you there only. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
chomp you'll use it or strip you'll use it. W out will R. And okay, for me, Q out dot txt is working, A out dot txt is not working. I need to check. Okay. What about other people? Is it working? Perl script is working for you also? Okay, I need to check. For other people, Q is working. Q at least. Both are working. I need to check. I'll check what's here. What about online people working? Just try this one for today. Tomorrow we'll continue once again on the same task 2 in a Perl. Okay. And followed by we'll do one thing. Next, our main task was a.txt, q.txt we created. Now we need q underscore a.txt, which will be your third task. Okay. Where q1, a1, q2, a2, q3, a3, that we'll be trying to get it. Okay. That will complete tomorrow. Okay. What all we have learned? First, yesterday, if you remember, how to open a file in a read mode, you have learned already. And what is a variable or what is a scalar data type? I think that is also very clear now. Today you learned one more new topic called file handling with write operation. Yesterday was a read operation, today is a write operation. So this completes your entire file operation topic only. Because in file handling, what? Read how to do the read, how to do the write. In Perl also done, in Python also done. Okay. Next, variable anyway one data type is done. Okay, other data types are there, we'll see it later. Okay. Next, one more important topic, which is very, very important, like not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Regex, we will do it. Regex, regular expression. In Perl also, in Python also. Then slowly you will feel it, okay, Python, Perl will be like irritating for you. Maybe after 2 to 3 days later, what you will do in Python, you are not able to do in Perl. Then we'll stop the Perl there only. We'll continue with Python. Okay.
So,
Okay, we'll stop it.
please send the text document what you wrote.
Yeah, just 1 minute. You people can be on a line. This one. Okay, I'll zip entire folder, script folder, and I'll give it to you.
Sir, in Perl script, can you see line number 6? You written file content in the place of file handle.
No, I didn't get what you said.
Just now you written Perl script, right, for Q out or A out, that one. You written file content in the place of file handle in line number 6 in Perl script. 6th line.
Correct. That is a problem. That is a
Yes,
problem.
sir.
Correct. Handle I have not written. Obviously, handle name only I have written. Correct. Wrong. Correct. You're right. So I'll do one thing. I'll just give the. I'll make it correct and I'll give you. Okay. Definitely, it will work now. Hey, if you remember, like once you people get a call, no, please intimate us, okay, in a group, so it will be easy for us to follow. And who all are selected for, like, if suppose if your first round get cleared, okay, please intimate in a group so that it will be helpful for us to follow up. Or else if you not intimate, no problem, then your interview result will not be able to follow. That's it. Correct. Hmm? See, if your interview not went well, no need to inform us. Then you will be knowing your result. Correct. If you feel like okay, your interview went well, okay, then obviously there is a chance that you will be going for second round, right? In that case, at least intimate us. Okay. In the chat, I have sent the entire script folder, task 1, task 2, and the current notes. Okay, one person can download and send in WhatsApp. Then one person download it. Okay, we'll stop it. We'll continue tomorrow.